Hi, I'm Jill from Grownupdish, and one of my 2023 intentions, not a resolution, but an intention, is to eat more plants this year. So to that end, I just finished making this really good, creamy kale and mushroom soup. Honestly, you wouldn't even, if you didn't know there wasn't meat in it, you might even think that there was meat in it, and it is super, super yummy, and also very hot. Let me show you how I did it.
Saute 2 pounds of chopped mixed mushrooms in olive oil. They'll cook way down. Then add chopped onion, garlic, and spices. When the veggies are soft, add canned tomatoes, vegetable stock, chickpeas, beans, and coconut milk. Simmer it all for 30 minutes. Totally optional, but I used an immersion blender to make it a little bit smoother. Then I added chopped kale. You can serve it as a soup or ladle it over cooked polenta or mashed potatoes. This is no-guilt vegetarian comfort food. You've got to try it.
Follow Grownupdish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.